Welcome to Wednesdays with Weingartz. I'm Ron Weingartz. Today I'm here to talk about the all-new Exmark LR series mowers. The LR series will replace the LZ series, and they still come in the E, S, and X. The E being the entry level, the S is the premium, and the X is the highest performance in the lineup. So when I say new, one thing Exmark, when they set out to build this new mower, they didn't want to totally change it, because it's 25th year of the Exmark laser. It is the industry standard, is what all the competition strives to get to. So they didn't want to mess it up. So they just made some nice enhancements. So to start with, still the same Exmark signature cut, available in 52, 60, or 72-inch cutting widths. As we start at the front of the machine, you notice they support the anti-scalp wheels double-sided. So they do that with the old single side. Really didn't have a lot of problems, but if you caught a side hill just right, you might break that caster wheel. So this just helps protect that, give you a little more support, a little longer life on that caster wheel. The height of cut adjustment, big improvement, and this has been used on some other Exmark models, so it's been proven. So the old models, how you kind of look on the side, you try to line up to get the height you want. This is very easily, you can see the height, adjusting quarter-inch increments. A magnetic pin just drops in place and it'll hold. So there's no clip or anything, you just drop and the magnetic pin will hold it in place. Really quick and easy, so if you need to change that height of cut very often, it's no big deal at all, it's just that easy. So they still use, which really kind of set the standard as far as drive system, they use the Parker UHT, which stands for Unitized Hydrostatic Transmission. What that does, it eliminates a substantial amount of leak points because the hydro and the transmission are together. It's all one unit versus having a hydraulic pump with a hose to a wheel motor. So it eliminates a lot of potential leak points. The longevity is just superior to anything on the market, and eliminates a lot of problems. So they kept that great drive system. Engine options are very similar to in the past. They use a variety of Kawasaki FX series. They use Weingartz options and also coal or fuel injected options. So basically, they give you the options to decide what engine you want. So there's a lot of different options available there. Another change that isn't going to give you any more performance, but new color scheme. So if you look at the new grayed out look, the side pods, the old light gray, look fine, but I think this really kind of stands out on the job site, along with the gray front and rear wheels. So just kind of gives it a little more rich, classy look, and then your competitors will know you got the new laser. So I think they made some great enhancements, but what's great about these nice little enhancements, like say, that's still the same great quality laser, but the benefit is this is priced where the LZE was last year. So they did this, gave you more for less money. So really excited about getting some nice improvements without adding that cost. So it's about the new LRS. I appreciate you listening today. Stop in and check them out.
Weingartz, everything from lawn to snow.